Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly.
weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from June 1st to June 7th. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So on June 1st, we do have a Bebe's only. These are the Air Jordan 4 Lemon Twist. These are only coming out in grade school for $160. Little kids for $90. Toddlers and infants, $75. Now, this shoe predominantly is fully white on the upper. We do see those gray hits throughout. If we look at that midsole, we do see that gray along the midsole. What makes this shoe really stand out is over the mud guard, they're putting like a digital print that kind of reminds me of the Minecraft, and as well as on the upper part near the stock liner, we do have a digital print as well there. As you look at the Wings logo, we do see those lemon twist color that makes the shoe pop. Overall, this is the clean shoe for the summer. I will be rocking these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? It's a clean shoe. I will be rocking these as well, especially for the Bebe. But Jordan Brand, put some thought behind when we coming out with these shoes for the Bebes, because the Bebes will wear these shoes for one day and then they don't even look the same. So hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But Jordan Brand, y'all got to put some thought these shoes y'all coming out for these Bebes.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on June the 7th, we do have that Amaneer Air Jordan 5 Violet Array. This is a men's pair of shoes. Price point for those are going for $225. This is a nice clean shoe. I like what they did with this shoe. They really flipped it with the laces. It really bring those shoes out. I'm really liking this shoe. I like what they did with that burgundy. I love that deep burgundy. I like how they kept the leather on the upper part of this shoe. I like what they did with that quilted liner, tongue, the midsole. This is a nice clean shoe for the summer. I will be rocking those. I just like what I like what this shoe represents. I mean, it represents Juneteenth, right? This shoe will be dropping at the Amaneer Boutique. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But my brother, I will be rocking those definitely. What about you?
I'm going to be rocking these as well, just because of the message that you said. But however, I won't be able to cop these because we don't have any Amaneers near my location, unfortunately. I do expect these to sit and be going on the retail, as most of the Jordan 5s from Amaneer have been going under retail. So I expect these to do the same. But let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the last shoe of the week, on June 7th, we do have a Jordan 11 Low for the women's only. This is called the Igloo. It does feature a higher price point of $195. As you know or don't know, Jordan Brand has raised its prices up starting in June, and this was the first effect. As we know, the Jordan 11 Lows used to be $190, and now this new price is $195. I do expect these to sit at this price. Kids pairs will be going for $80. Toddlers and infants will go for $60. Overall, I do think it's a nice clean colorway for the spring and summer. Overall, the shoe is predominantly white upper, and it does have that Igloo is the colorway that they're calling it, in that patent leather. As we see, that midsole is white as well, along with the same color Igloo at the outer sole, which I do think it's a nice touch for the shoe. As we look at the back, we do see that small jump man in the same teal pattern color. Overall, this is just a clean shoe. It's very simple and clean for the summer, so I will be rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
I love them too. I really love them. It goes back to what I said about putting thought behind what we put out there for the babies, right? White laces. Come on, Jordan, right? Let's put some thought behind. Hey, let's bring in some color to this shoe, right? It'd been nice if you would have just flipped the laces somewhat. But I mean, saying all that, it's a nice clean shoe. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.